My name is Darius. I've been living here since 2017 with my wife and my son. And I think we always wanted to renovate the bathroom and the kitchen, but we just never really got around to it until now, until 2022, when the timing was right. We were looking for a company that could basically handle all aspects of the renovation, so that we weren't going to have to go around scrambling to find different contractors and get them all together and coordinate everything. Easy Renovations, as the name suggests, made it really simple. At the same time, they had a very clear division of labor. So everyone was specialized, they knew what they were doing, felt like we were getting good service in all aspects, or all steps or stages in the process, and there was a smooth handoff between different people. We did try or test Easy Renovations initially on the small bathroom that we did before we moved on to the kitchen. And we were extremely impressed with how they did with the small bathroom, and that in turn made us more confident that we were making the right decision in choosing them to go with the kitchen. There were complications. There are always complications to any renovations. This was no exception. And we were impressed with the speed with which they basically addressed all of those issues, every single one. That was fantastic. I would say Easy Renovations exceeded our expectations. I mean, we were very happy with both the kitchen and the bathroom. It's very difficult to point to a specific element or elements that we liked because we had such a wide range of choice and control in terms of the materials, the appliances, the colors that we were selecting. So we were really happy with all aspects of it because we had influence over making those decisions. We've been happy with our experience with Easy Renovations. We definitely use them again. Indeed, we've already used them twice. And we've already recommended them to many other people.